Well, we're gonna test the GoPro real quick. This is our humble home. Now, some of you guys, since I've been, I think, the last truck I had was a blue Freightliner, right? We've been driving a 2020 Peterbilt. And I guess I'll show you the bunk. There's old Jake. Hey, Jake, you say hi? Say hi, Jake. And there's old Panda. You better say hi, Panda. This quilt right here, Norma made that quilt for me. I use it on my bed. What else should I show you? That's the microwave. Another cubby hole. Got a few things up there on the top bunk. Not too much. My flag. There's my storage, my coffee maker, my toaster. We're at a truck stop. We're at a T8 truck stop. Right now we're just outside of Coldwater, Michigan. I just wanted, really, we're testing. Will you stop? You're stopping on the camera, you do. You goofy. You see that? He was snipping on the camera. My TV is right there. What? Is there something underneath there? Huh? Well, let's see if we can find it. I know what you're looking for. Here. Is that what you're looking for, buddy? Oh. Is that what you're looking for? That's what you guys want to see. Yeah, I know, Jake and Panda. Yeah, give me that. That's mine. You can't have that. That's mine. That's mine. Give me that. Give me that. Panda doesn't care for the toys, but Jake loves the crap out of them. Oh, you goofy. They're my babies. They're my babies. Let me put my computer back over there. So that way, I put my computer, I set my computer back here because it's safe. I don't know. I guess there'll be more to show you guys tomorrow, but I just wanted to really test out the GoPro. And, hey, let me have that. Let me have that. Hey, buddy, give me that. You're crazy, man. What? What? Give me that. That's mine. You don't play. He loves playing tug of war. Give me that. Give me that. You better give me that. I got it. Hey. He loves to play. He loves to play. What are you doing? What are you doing, baby girl? What are you doing, baby girl? Huh? What you doing? Are you waving at everybody? Wave at everybody. Wave. You better wave. Get you. Well, I'm gonna get your tail. I'm gonna get your tail. Oh, I do love my buddies. I do. What are you doing? Don't do that. Don't do that. You crazy dog. You better give me that. Give me that. Give me that. We're going to show you guys more tomorrow, but I'll go ahead and put this on video or put it up on YouTube right now. I'm doing a GoPro test. I haven't had this thing on, shoot, what, 7 months? Seriously, I haven't had it on. I'm gonna put it on the windshield. We got the let me crawl up here real quick. That's the suction cup for the window. I don't think, yeah, that's the suction cup. And we got the housing in here. There it is, the GoPro housing. So this, and with that, we're in business, guys. That will actually go on the windshield, starting out our day tomorrow. But testing the GoPro, because I got a Walmart not too far from here if I needed something for the camera. This is the 7. I am actually thinking about getting the 9 because it's got some good qualities, and 2, it'll put me up. And we're back at this, man. We're back at this. It's not really educational. It's just us making videos. That's it. We're back, and I feel good about it. I really do. I feel good. I don't have an intro or an outro yet, so I don't know when I'm gonna get one, but we'll make one. Yeah. And I don't know if you guys can hear that. You hear that? We have an APU on this truck, and it works. Yeah, we got air going on. We don't even have the truck running, but we got the air going on. Ain't that cool? But anyway, thank you guys. That was a welcome when I saw them comments. Yeah, I am back. And I'm sorry it took that long break, but, you know, it wore me out, 1, every day, and 2, and I guess I was having personal issues with myself. And we're still doing the radio show. I'm not going to knock that out. I can't, because we're on platforms. We're actually hooked on radio stations, so I can't stop that. But I promise you that I'm not going to stop doing this, at least for a good year anyway. We're here. We're not going nowhere. So anyway, thank you guys. We're gonna put this video up, and then we're going to bed. Y'all have a good one. Later.